Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to go over all the tools I have. I'll start off with this. It's like a hoe on one side and like a cultivator on the other. And you can just kind of pick it up like that. Then these are my hammers. I have this whole set. I have that hammer, that hammer, that hammer, and that hammer. Next, these are all my needle nose pliers. Again, that's the set. This is some Dollar Tree ones. This is some ones I've had for a while. Don't exactly remember where I got those. Next is my screwdriver. I've got this flathead and this Phillips. And I have more, they're just not here. And then these are my pliers. I have a normal set. Then again with that one set I got. Put those in quick. Okay, and now these are my tape measures. Again, I have this set came with one of these. See, this is the set. A Stanley one and a Dollar Tree one. And I'm not sponsored, so this is just a normal Dollar Tree one. I'll make sure to tell you guys which ones I got from Dollar Tree, because Dollar Tree is a good place to get tools. And then I have this wrench, which just goes right up here. And then I have this drill, which is, this is what this kit came with. I got it for my birthday, which was a couple days ago, so it's good. Just sits right up here all day unless I'm using it. And next is my cultivators. And I do a lot of gardening, so that's probably going to be my next video, is some gardening. But this is one of my plastic cultivators. Metal one, these things extend. This is my other plastic cultivator. But yeah, this one goes on there. Okay guys, this is all my drill bits. I'll just show you there real quick. Oops. I have this one, which did not come with the drill. I had that one already. I've got this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. So yeah, that's them. And then guys, I've just got a simple pair of scissors. Saw it cuts metal. A weed grind, like it pulls up your weeds. Then I've got, these are my shovels. I've got these two, and then I've got